Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I have something a little different. I haven't done a repair video in quite some time, and I've never owned a Nintendo Switch. Yes, my kids have Nintendo Switches, but I'm never actually allowed to touch those. Today, we're going to unbox this used Nintendo Switch that I purchased off eBay and see if we can recover it from the dreaded green light of doom. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we have the box. And this is, as you can see, very, very much used. All we have in here is the Switch. It's been well saran wrapped. And the charger brick. Going to unravel our brick. Plug it in. Now I got this used off of eBay, as I said before, and the owner said that it had the flashing green light and would not charge, so he just kind of gave up on it. We are going to try to see if we can fix it, and if we can, I may have some Switch game content on this channel soon. So, we have our dock. We have the Switch. You can see some light scratching. Both of the rubber little pads are gone off of here. The Joy-Cons seem to just unhook by themselves, so maybe I can fix that. And there's a Harry Potter sticker on the back. So, as we can see right here, trying to power it on, nothing's happening. I do have an HDMI capture card that we're going to connect this to, so hopefully you'll be able to see what I can see. Here's the back. Hopefully you'll be able to see something because it's got the green flashy light of doom. So there's our power and our HDMI out. And checking the USB-C port. Everything looks okay. Plug it in. And there's our flashy light. All right. Just made sure that the capture card is set up, so if it starts working, we will know. So I'm trying to just reset the switch inside the dock to see if that will help. Doesn't. So, another thing that they say you can try online is just trying to charge the device itself. And if all that fails, I have another dock from another system. Let's see what happens. We plug this switch into a different dock. So now we're going to test another switch on here just to make sure this dock is working. Be right back. Okay, so one of the children has been kind enough to let me borrow their switch, which you can see is working. All right, so just to show you, this is the dock that came with the Switch. It's lit up. I've got my daughter's Switch in here, and you can see that the device is working. So we're going to put the other switch in the dock. Okay, and so I finally figured it out. Right down here, right in there, which is going to be really hard to see. The charging port had a bent pin in it. So I took something and I kind of fluffed the pin out. Now I've got a charging switch. So I'm going to let that charge up, and then we're going to see what happens in just a little bit. But there you have it. That's how I fixed the Nintendo Switch that I purchased off of eBay. There are a bunch of fixes online, but mine had to do with two of the pins on the USB-C connector crossing over each other, which was canceling out everything. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I have creating it. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'm Bryant, and this has been Reviews for Nerds. Thank you, and have a great day.